Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to select a milestone when hiring a freelancer on Upwork. So once you've posted a job and you've got a few proposals that you're happy with, select the candidate that you want, go to hire, and under contract terms, scroll down, and under deposit funds into escrow, you want to select deposit a lesser amount to cover the first milestone. It's important to note that when posting the job, you must select fixed rate other than hourly rate. If you choose the hourly rate, you won't have the option to make a milestone. So then you'll have to repost the job and select the fixed rate. All right, now you can add milestones, as many as you like. And for this example, I want my freelancer to create 15 videos a week at $2 per video. So under milestone description, I'll select 15 videos a week. And I want to review them weekly. So every Monday, just for the first month. And at $2 a video, I'll be depositing $30 each. Okay, now that I'm happy with this, I can scroll down, select yes, and continue. Here, you'll be sent to select a billing method, and here you'll be instructed to deposit some funds into escrow. Scroll down, select fund milestone and hire, and that's it. Thank you for listening.